vehicle description. It's going to be a blue, older model Chevy Silverado, double cab. License plate. Adam North Victor. Airport.
Put your hands up right now! Don't you fucking move! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your other hands up right now! Put your other hands up right now! Hey, watch out, watch out! Put your hands up, driver! Driver! 14 Little Rock. We got them TVI, 9th and Bird. 9th and Bird. Driver, put your hands up right now! Hands up! Tanner, with me. No, put them all the way up. Nobody play with you. Put your other hand up. Quit reaching around. You're gonna get shot, motherfucker. You got one more time, I promise you. Let me see that right hand. Put your right hand up. Put your right hand up. Do not move. I'm going hands on. Do not move. Put your other hand up. Get my phone. Pull him out right there. I got cuffs.
I was helping my nephew.
Shut up!
Please, I got him kidnapped. They got my nephew kidnapped. Please. Please, they got my nephew kidnapped.
Are you down the road?
No, I'm right here. I drove it up here. I tried to hit him on that.
Well, I was trying to box him in, but
yeah, I didn't.
They got my nephew kidnapped, man. Please.
I'm gonna roll you on your side, alright?
Yes, sir. Please, sir. They got my nephew kidnapped. Yes, sir. They got my nephew
Alright, next step, you gonna get up, alright?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, come on.
They got my nephew kidnapped.
I'm gonna 10-11.
Please,
Well, I tried to box or hit him right here at the stoplight because he's cutting on this curve. Where's your car? It's over here. I drove over here. Yeah. Brand new car. Oh. 42 Little Rock. He's in 10-11 for my vehicle.
His car was getting disabled. I was like, man, I'm with TVI, and so just hit him.
When we went to take the exit, they were over here.
They were coming up.